Imelda Ali, the former CAT focal person and the soon-to-be the mayor of this municipality. Tubay Romina Pentaton Ali, MPS DM, who is, I think, not present here today. To the Honorable Vice Mayor of this municipality, Honorable Noradine Pentaton Masukat.
Ano ka dahil si Atin?
To the members of the municipal councilors, members of the barangay officials, my co-professionals, guests, and visitors, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Good afternoon. I didn't expect that one day I will be standing here in front of you, delivering a message that will surely inspire every student or every kabataan of this municipality. Today, we are celebrating Professionals Night. Or should I say, Unod Noinawidan 2025. It is a manifestation that indeed General Salpada K. Pendaton Maguindano del Sur is creating a competitive and more progressive professional itself. I stand here before you today to deliver a message showcasing how my life goes as I take up my journey of becoming a registered nurse. My journey wasn't easy, nor a piece of cake. I started my nursing career as the first ever batch of online classes due to devastating effect of COVID-19 pandemic. Life back then wasn't easy as we faced and started college with an unusual environment where most of us wasn't or didn't know how to start, when to start, or if we can really finish our course, especially ours that we need to take care and have an actual interpersonal communication and care to our patients. There's a lot of doubts and questioning if nursing is really for me. College was not easy for sure. It will never become easy, and everyone can testify about that. Because we are all a student back then. We face draining moments, exhausting requirements, and never-ending sleepless nights that consume every bit of their energy. A journey that not only tested your perseverance, but also demands for dedication and effort that paves the way towards your success. Natala ko sa kabangagi ko, ikapagkako sa mga isapong sa sagay, sa bapo, sa kapag-gaga ko, o kapangyarap ko sa adang mabya ang katamanan ko sa kagraduate ko sa college. Madalas po akong nakakatulog sa aking student desk. Hindi ko namamalayan na inaantok na pala ako. Kasi nga po, pinipilit kong tapusin ang lahat ng requirements at lahat ng isusumiti kong papel sa aking mga profesor ay maganda at kaaya-aya. Naranasan ko din po maubusan ng pera sa araw-araw na agastusin at pagtatsagang may ahon ang pusong aking napili. And I'm just thankful to every single individual who have been there to help me and supported me throughout my journey, especially my beloved parents. My life back then as a nursing student was indeed a unique chapter of my life. One filled with challenges, growth, and purpose. It is not just about mastering medical knowledge or passing exams. It is about preparing to touch lives, to comfort, to heal, and lead with compassion. Just like many college students back there, striving to finish college, nursing was no exemption. It is waking up early in the morning to attend classes and staying up late at night for exams. It's balancing lectures, clinical rotations, and personal responsibility while learning to manage the stress that becomes within all. It's experiencing the emotional heights of helping others and occasional lows of facing tough realities to save lives. But the most inspiring part of being a nursing student is realizing that our efforts, or my efforts today, will save lives tomorrow. Each lesson learned, each skill mastered, and each moment of perseverance and is building you into a nurse you inspire to be. Throughout my journey, there are lots of expectations and pressure coming to my families, relatives, peers, and even random people I met. All my life, I was living in an environment that every achievement is a must and obligatory. That failure was never an option, and winning every battle is necessary. As we all know, me and my brother was taking the same course, entered the same university. As we also know that it was again another challenge that I faced during my journey. Living in an expectation of so many people saying that I should get the same recognition that my brother achieved. That's why I was too pressured and scared enough that maybe I cannot do the same as he did. But thankfully, not to brag, but inspire you all, especially your children. Me and my brother managed to graduate college at a prestigious university, which is the University of Southern Mindanao. Finished the same bachelor's degree, which is the Bachelor of Nursing, Bachelor of Science in Nursing, and earned the same recognition as cum laude of the same university.
Mashallah, yun ang tayo na.
But the journey doesn't end there. Me and my brother took the same board exam, the Philippine Nurses Licensure Examination. And thankfully, he passed 2023 and I subsequently passed the 2024 Philippine Nurses Licensure Examination. My journey was not possible without the support and effort of many individuals throughout my career. The individuals that are one who have been there for my journey, guiding, supporting, and trusting me along my journey. To our beloved Mayor, Honorable Rapsanjani Pendaton Ali, thank you for your educational cash assistance that truly help each and every individual, each and every college students of different schools, colleges, state universities. So yung ganun ka, an educational assistant, nakatapang sa kami para ano namang gasto namin sa umangay ang pagkain namin sa mga boarding houses namin. Not only that, but also your continuous emotionally and financial up until the young students took their board exams, including me. Along with you is Sir Abdul Rahman Esmail, Sir, the program coordinator. Thank you, sir, for the patience in every student. You help with that financial assistance. May you continue believing and investing with this young generation that will truly contribute the General S.K. Pentaton Magitano del Sur's progress. To my uncles, aunties, cousins, and relatives, thank you for always supporting and believing in every step I take. Your effort to show me how worthy I am was indeed overwhelming. To my friends that are probably not here, but I am also thankful for them because college wouldn't be easy without them. They are my constant buddy who keeps helping me and guiding me throughout my journey as I take up Bachelor of Science in Nursing. To my incredible parents, Ama and Ina, I have waited for this moment for 10 long years. Junior high school, senior high school, and even graduating college, I was not able to send and give my gratitude in public. But here I am today. Thank you. These two words will never fully capture the depth of my gratitude, but they come from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for believing in us, your child, when we doubted ourselves, for cheering us through every milestone, and for standing up in every challenges. Your sacrifices, your guidance, and your unwavering support and love have been my foundation upon which we build a dreams. You've taught us resilience, kindness, and the value of hard work. Every late night we spent worrying about us. Every word of encouragement and every act of support has brought us to where we are today. And to be honest, I was not a perfect student. I even lied to my parents whenever I go. Nagpapaalam lang po ako minsan kung tapos ko na pong gawin ng isang bagay. And that is a challenge for me. However, I was able to survive and manage to enjoy life while striving hard in nursing. Kaya isipin nyo na lang na hindi yan lang ang mga gala para maabot nyo ang inyong mga pangarap. You should manage to balance life and study. That is how life in college. Enjoy every beat of moment while continuously learning from them. We owe so much of our journey to you, our first teachers, our greatest supporters, and our lifelong inspirations. As we move forward in life, know that your love and lessons will always be the compass to guide us. And lastly, thank you, Allah. Thank you for countless blessings you have bestowed upon us, those we see and those we overlook. Thank you for the strength to face challenges, the wisdom to make decisions, and the patience to endure trials. Thank you for surrounding us with love, for opening doors we never expected, and teaching us that even in difficulty, there is a wisdom and purpose. This night is about more than just an achievement. It's about the passion behind the progress. It is a reminder that the work you do every day ripples far beyond your office's walls. It uplifts teams, builds communities, and sets stage for tomorrow's success stories. Take a moment to connect, reflect, and recharge. Share your wisdom, celebrate your milestones, and live tonight ready to soar even higher. Because together, as professionals, we are unstoppable.
oras.
Let the night remind you of your power, in your purpose, and in your strength, and in your journey. Before I end this speech, I would like to share with you the verse I was always carrying with me throughout my journey. A verse from Quran that most of us would probably know. Always remember that no matter how hard and draining it is to face life at the moment, فَإِنَّمَا الْأُسْرِ يُسْرًا. Verily, with every hardship comes ease. Despite the hardship we face in life, all are worthy in the end because part of our journey is sufferings. Without those, we are nothing, and we cannot value the true meaning of the path we chose to pursue. Let us carry forward the lessons we've learned, the connections we built, and the passion that drives us. Remember, greatness is not defined by titles or colleagues, but by the impact we make and the lives we touch. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.